gonna leave here? No. That's just still there. That's sitting on budget. That's it sitting on budget. If you don't run, I will let you get in the car with it. All right.
We've had so many complaints, we had to do something. I mean, we get the complaint every day, and we finally got him stealing stuff off one vehicle, putting on his vehicle. So we got a theft warrant for him.
When you say you've had a lot of complaints, do you know how many complaints you've had?
25 to 30. We probably have had 12 in the last 2 or 3 weeks that's come in and signed complaints against him.
And we're talking about thousands of dollars that these people are out of pocket now because the insurance companies have already paid money. And they're done.
Yeah, we contact insurance companies. They say, hey, once we pay it, we're out of it. One young lady that he took the tires and rims off her. That's why we got the theft case. She took it to another place. It's going to cost her $6,000. The money's gone. I mean, the insurance money is gone. He had it. It's gone now. So
Probably about 170.
Do you have anything to say about all these complaints that have been filed against you with this office?
If you want to talk to him again, you don't have to. You want to talk to him?